Dear students, welcome back to the video, and in this video I'm going to explain the internal structure of human ear. So let's start a video. You know that human ear is a sensory organ, so it gives you the sense of hearing. If you look at the functions, then human ear is performing two main functions, and they are hearing obviously, and along with this it is also involved in balancing. This because of the presence of few structures in its inner part. So first you'll see the main parts of human ear. So they are outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. You'll get a clear idea with the help of this diagram. The part in brown is indicating the outer ear, while the pink portion is indicating middle ear, and finally we have the part in blue which is representing the inner ear. We'll see different parts that are making outer, middle, and inner ear. So starting with the outer ear, the first part of the outer ear is here. This is the visible part and is termed as auricle, or you also call it as pinna. In turn, this auricle consists of three main parts: helix, tragus, and lobule. This auricle is made up of cartilage except this lobule. So this lobule is a fleshy part and it is not cartilage. Another part of the outer ear is this canal, and this is termed as auditory canal. This auditory canal is lined with glands which actually produce earwax, and it is also lined with hair follicles. The final part of this outer ear, the third part of the outer ear, is the tympanic membrane, which is also termed as eardrum. So three main parts of outer ear are auricle, auditory canal, and tympanic membrane, which is termed as, normally we call it as eardrum. After this outer ear, we are having a very small part, which is the middle ear. It consists of auditory ossicles, and there are three bones. First one is malleus, which is basically hammer shaped. Then we are having this incus, and incus is anvil shaped. And finally we are having a very small bone, stirrup, and stapes, that is stirrup shaped. So these three bones, malleus, incus, and stapes, are making the middle ear. This middle ear is connected to the inner nasal cavity through this eustachian tube. Now we'll move towards the last part of the ear, that is the inner ear. So the part of the inner ear that is actually related to the hearing, it is cochlea. You can see this is a spiral bone and it is filled with the fluid, and it is also lined with hair receptors. The other part is basically vestibular apparatus, and this is made up of semicircular canals. There are three semicircular canals. They are also filled with the fluid and they are lined with the hair cells. And there is a swollen part which is vestibule. So this vestibular apparatus is linked to the balancing. Beside this, we are having vestibulocochlear nerve, which just bifurcates and it gives rise to vestibular nerve that is related to the vestibular apparatus. It is involved in balancing sort of mechanism for balancing signals, while another nerve is cochlear nerve or the auditory nerve. So this is involved in hearing. You can see here the temporal bone. So temporal bone is basically present at the base and the sides of the skull. This is covering this whole part, the middle and the inner ear. Now we'll see the mechanism. How do we hear? So like an antenna, this auricle is actually collecting the sound waves, and then these sound waves are directed towards the tympanic membrane through the auditory canal, and when the sound waves hit the tympanic membrane, they just turn into vibrations, and these vibrations are amplified with the help of auditory ossicles, and then these vibrations are passed to the cochlea, and there they are turned into nerve impulses, the electrical signals, which are carried by the auditory nerve to the brain, and so that we hear. This is all about human ear. if you like it, then you just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. This means a lot to me, and just promote this channel in your circle to grow. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.